Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the Google account that will own the form, then open Google Forms and load the form you want to publish. Make sure questions, required toggles, and the response destination, such as a linked Google Sheet, are set. Once done, click the Send button in the top right. This begins the sharing flow. You're doing this now so the next steps change sharing behavior, not content. Keep the form editor open. You'll toggle access and copy links next. Next, click Send and choose the link icon to generate a shareable URL. Shorten it for easier distribution if you like. If you need others to edit or manage responses, use Send right arrow Add Collaborators and set their permission to editor. Make sure you understand edit versus view. For Google Workspace accounts, you may need to change domain sharing settings in the admin console to allow broad access. Once changed, copy the link and test it in an incognito window so you see public behavior exactly as respondents will. To finish, paste the copied link into an incognito tab and submit a test response to confirm the form is public and behaves as expected. This verifies visibility and required fields. Make any final setting changes. Collect email addresses, limit to one response or toggle response editing, and republish by reusing the same link. If someone can't access the form, check sharing permissions and your Workspace admin console for domain restrictions. If needed, remove domain-only restrictions or add specific users to collaborators to resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.